Welcome back to our channel dedicated to helping you succeed in your dissertation journey. In today's video, we will be discussing the four-step approach to writing a winning dissertation methodology chapter. The methodology chapter is a crucial section of your dissertation as it outlines the methods you will use to collect and analyze data. So let's dive into the steps to create an effective methodology chapter. Step 1. Research design and approach. The first step is to clearly explain the research design and approach you will employ in your study. Discuss whether your research is qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods. Explain the rationale behind your chosen approach and how it aligns with your research objectives and research questions. Provide a detailed description of the research design, such as experimental, correlational, case study, or survey design. Justify why this design is appropriate for your study and how it will help you answer your research questions. Step 2. Data collection methods. In this step, you need to describe the specific methods you will use to collect data. If your research is quantitative, explain the procedures for data collection, such as surveys, experiments, or archival data analysis. If your research is qualitative, discuss the methods you will use for data collection, such as interviews, observations, or focus groups. Provide details on how you will select your sample or participants, ensuring they are representative of your target population. Include information on any ethical considerations and measures you will take to protect the rights and confidentiality of participants. Step 3. Data analysis techniques. Once you have collected your data, you need to explain the data analysis techniques you will use. If your research is quantitative, discuss the statistical tests, software, or models you will employ to analyze your data. Explain why these techniques are appropriate for your study and how they will help you answer your research questions. If your research is qualitative, describe the methods you will use for data coding, categorization, and thematic analysis. Provide examples of how you will interpret the qualitative data and ensure reliability and validity in your analysis. Step 4. Limitations and validity. It is important to acknowledge and address the limitations of your research in this step. Discuss any potential biases, constraints, or factors that may impact the validity and generalizability of your findings. Be transparent about any limitations in your research design, sample size, data collection methods, or data analysis techniques. This shows your awareness of the limitations and enhances the credibility of your study. Additionally, discuss the steps you will take to mitigate these limitations and ensure the validity of your results. By following this four-step approach to writing your methodology chapter, you will create a strong and well-structured section of your dissertation. Clearly explain your research design and approach, describe your data collection methods, discuss your data analysis techniques, and address the limitations and validity of your research. This will demonstrate the rigor and reliability of your study. Stay tuned for our next video to learn how to finish your dissertation in 6 months or less.